Guys, have you ever heard of ndole soup? Here is it. Bitter leaf and peanut. Guys, follow me and see how I do it. Watch the video to the end. Hello my people, good morning. Today we are going to be cooking peanut and bitter leaf soup. This is our bitter leaf and this is our peanut, and I boiled my peanut already because I don't like it to take too much time when I'm cooking it, so I usually boil it before I blend it. So here we have our peanut with a red pepper, we have onion, we have garlic, and here we have our bitter leaf. Follow me, let's cook it together, guys. This food is the most healthiest food I've ever come across. Peanut and bitter leaf soup. Guys, follow me and watch it to the end. Okay guys, we go ahead and blend our peanut. I'm going to be adding my black pepper. So we're going to blend this right now. While I fry my fish this way, I'm going to be blending our peanut right now. So after blending our peanut, this is our peanut that is blended already. So I'll go directly and put it into this oil. Only the aroma that is coming out already. It's hitting my nostrils, guys. See, this recipe is very healthy. Like, I said, so healthy. Yeah, look at it right now, guys. It's thick now. I'm going to be adding my bitter leaf. Yes guys, our soup is ready, looking so delicious and amazing. Oh my god, I wish you can have a taste of this, guys. This soup is so delicious. Peanut and bitter leaf soup, guys. In my country we call it ndole. That's how we call it in my country. So I'm going to be adding my onions at the end. This one is just for garnishing. Look at that. Looking so amazing.